Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we want to talk to you about the Quadzilla Fuel Pressure Sensor upgrade for the Quadzilla Adrenalines. Now, the Quadzilla Adrenaline is available for the 1998.5 all the way up to the 2009 Dodge 5.9 and 6.7 liter trucks. The Adrenaline is a known and proven module out there in the market, and we here at Thoroughbred Diesel are a warehouse distributor for Quadzilla, so we'd love to have your Quadzilla business. But we want to talk about one of the most important upgrades that you can do for the Adrenaline module, and that is to do the fuel pressure sensor expansion kit. Now, the fuel pressure sensor expansion kit from Quadzilla allows you to monitor your lift pump pressure. Now, we all know how critical that is on the 1998.5 to 2002 trucks. However, it's just as critical, in my opinion, on the common rail trucks. Low fuel pressure can lead to wreckage of the common rail fuel system, wore out injectors, wore out CP3 pump, so on. So lift pump pressure is just as vital on a common rail, again in my opinion, as it is on a VP44 truck. But as we all know, the VP44 guys, where it's the first thing everybody knows. I got a VP truck, I gotta watch my lift pump pressure. Quadzilla makes this really easy. All you have to do is purchase the fuel pressure sensor upgrade kit. The Adrenaline is already wired and ready for it. You just plug it in and go. If you decide you don't want to go this route, if you've already got a gauge inside the truck or whatever, that's fine, no problem. Just make sure that you're monitoring your lift pump pressure. Now I want to talk about the fuel pressure sensor kit just a little bit from Quadzilla and show you what you get in the kit. Another nice thing about this kit is they include a snubber with the fuel pressure sensor kit, which is taking it just a step farther. We know that the way a Dodge lift pump system goes, or once the lift pump kit fires up, that the pressure spike to the fuel pressure sensor can cause damage to it, so you have to run a snubber. Now at this time, Quadzilla is sending the adjustable snubber with their kits. The snubber could come adjustable, it could come unadjustable or non-adjustable. Either way, it works. If you got the adjustable one, I want to talk just a little bit about how to use this for you. Let's say you have to figure out how you're going to pick up your fuel pressure sensor. Now, Air Dogs, Fast's, all of them, they have a port for a fuel pressure sensor, no problem. The wiring harness on this is going to be a little bit short, so if you don't want to have to extend your wires and so on, we would suggest that you put your fuel pressure sensor in a fuel pressure port close to the injection pump. Ideally, this is better at the source of the lift pump pressure, but if you're going to put it at the injection pump, we offer a threaded Banjo Bolt. Another one of the Quadzilla accessories that they offer is this inline 1/2 inch push-to-lock fitting that has a 1/8 by 27 MPT hole in it. That way your snubber and sensor can just screw right into this. You just cut your fuel line. You older guys that have got a smaller line, got the 3/8 inch line, and we offer an inline little adapter for that as well. Now, setting up the snubber, you want to, if you had the adjustable snubber, go ahead and install the fuel pressure sensor. And then you'll want to shut the adjustable snubber down, close it, so you'll turn it clockwise to close it. Start the truck and run it, and open this valve until you start seeing fuel pressure on the Quadzilla Adrenaline. Once you see the fuel pressure come through, then stop with the adjustment and you're good to go. So you'll notice on all the Quadzilla pages we offer this as an upgrade for you. It's cheap and easy insurance. It gets tearing up any of your low side fuel components in your truck, thereby taking out your high side fuel components, which we know are the most expensive parts of the fuel injection system on your truck. So if you have a question about Quadzilla or any Quadzilla products, or whether you need a fuel pressure sensor or not, just give us a call. Thank you for watching.